Saunders here. Today I want to walk you through a question that I hear all the time. How much does an estate plan cost? And the truth is it depends. But more importantly, I want you to understand why it varies and what you should be looking for when you're considering this investment. Estate planning is one of those areas where you truly get what you pay for. Sure, you might find a do-it-yourself option online for $20 or even a discounted attorney who charges $500. But let's be real. The plan that is going to be worth what you need it to be worth might cost. It's going to be worth exactly what you paid. And that kind of shortcut can lead to a lot of unnecessary stress, heartache, and extra costs for your family down the line. The goal of estate planning isn't just to have documents. It's to make sure that those documents actually work when your family needs them most. That means they should be customized for your unique life, comply with the laws of your state, and clearly reflect your wishes, your people, your property, your values. You want to work with an attorney who understands that this isn't a one-time transaction. Life changes, marriages, divorces, new homes, children, grandchildren. Those laws change too. Your estate plan should evolve right alongside your life. That's why it's important to choose someone who values an ongoing relationship and will keep you and your plan current over time. Another key factor is how your attorney charges. I strongly recommend working with someone who offers flat fee pricing, agreed to in advance. Estate planning isn't litigation. It shouldn't be billed like litigation. When you're charged hourly, you may have no idea what the final cost will be. But with a flat fee, you'll know exactly what you're paying for and what's included. During your first meeting with your estate planning attorney, they should help you determine whether a will-based plan or a trust-based plan is right for you in your specific situation, and then provide a clear flat fee quote to get it done. And if you're comparing prices between attorneys, make sure you're comparing apples to apples. If one attorney is significantly less expensive, ask what's being left out. Are the documents less comprehensive? Will they be updating your plan over time? Are they building a long-term relationship with you or just handing you a binder and sending you on your way? Speaking of binders, estate planning is not about printing out some papers and sticking them on a shelf and hoping someone knows that they exist. Your plan should include real communication with the people you've named to carry it out. They should know what documents exist, where to find them, and what your intentions are. Beyond the legal documents, consider what you want your legacy to look like. Your values, your stories, your life lessons, these matter just as much. Think about including letters, videos, and other ways to preserve those parts of yourself that people love. This isn't about passing on assets. It's about passing on who you are. So when you're ready to create a plan or update the one you have, ask the right questions. Do they offer flat fees? Will they keep in touch with you and help you stay updated over time? Are they focused on documents or on building a lasting relationship? That's the kind of estate planning that truly protects your family and honors your legacy. If you haven't already, check out the rest of our videos, especially the one on what is probate. It may not be the most popular topic, but it's the one that's most important if you really want to understand why estate planning matters in the first place. Thank you so much.